तुम्हें दवाई चाहिए, पर कौन सी? You need a medicine, but which one? You need a medicine, but which one? मैं एक किताब ढूंढ रहा हूं जो कि लाल कलर की है। I am looking for a book which is in red color. I am looking for a book which is in red color. एंड्रॉयड और विंडोज फोन्स में तुम्हें ज्यादा पसंद कौन सा है? Which one do you prefer, Android phones or Windows phones? Which one do you prefer, Android phones or Windows phones? शादी के लिए आप कौन सा चूज करोगी? Which one would you choose for wedding? Which one would you choose for wedding? किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? ये डिब्बा खाली है जिसमें बहुत सारे फूल थे। This box is empty which had many flowers. This box is empty which had many flowers. कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? कौन कौन जानते हैं? Who all know? Who all know? किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? इस तस्वीर को किसने पेंट किया? Who painted this picture? Who painted this picture? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? इस सेल्फी में ये कौन है? Who is this in the selfie? Who is this in the selfie? गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? आपका पसंदीदा हीरो कौन है? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? आपके पसंदीदा एक्टर्स कौन कौन हैं? Who all are your favorite actors? Who all are your favorite actors? मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया। I don't know who made the cake. I don't know who made the cake. सवाल ये है, कौन इस प्रोजेक्ट को करेगा? The question is, who will do this project? The question is, who will do this project? आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? Who is going to sing tonight? Who is going to sing tonight? इस तस्वीर को कौन बना सकता है? Who can make this picture? Who can make this picture? आपकी राय क्या है, कौन मैच जीतेगा? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? IT डिपार्टमेंट में राहुल कौन है? Who is Rahul in IT department? Who is Rahul in IT department? अगला सुपरस्टार कौन होगा? Who will be the next superstar? Who will be the next superstar? किसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? कौन खाना पकाएगा? Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? ये राम है जो मेरे साथ था। This is Ram who was there with me. This is Ram who was there with me. वो मेरा दोस्त है जिसने तुम्हें कॉल किया था. This is my friend who had called you. This is my friend who had called you. जो कोई मुझे जानता है मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me loves me. Whoever knows me loves me. जो कोई भी यहाँ है राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? तुमने ये टेनिस टेबल क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this tennis table? Why did you buy this tennis table? तुमने बॉक्स ओपन क्यों किया? Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? हम पिज्जा ऑर्डर क्यों न करें? Why shall we not order pizza? Why shall we not order pizza? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? तुम एक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to become an actor? Why do you want to become an actor? आज सुबह तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? क्या मैं पूछ सकती हूँ क्यों? May I ask you why? May I ask you why? तुम वहां से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? तुम निराश क्यों हो? Why are you disappointed? Why are you disappointed? उसने उसके बारे में उसे क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't she tell him about it? Why didn't she tell him about it? वो उस बिल्डिंग के आसपास क्यों घूम रहे हैं? Why are they walking around that building? Why are they walking around that building? वो सब अच्छे से जानते हैं रिया क्यों दुखी है. They all know very well why Riya is upset. They all know very well why Riya is upset. यह पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back?